Welcome to Driver Training Limited, your go-to destination for professional driving training and driving instructor development. We've been successfully training drivers and driving instructors for over 20 years. So whether you're a learner driver looking to pass your driving test, changing careers to train to become a driving instructor, or you're already a driving instructor and you're seeking further training, we've got you covered. At Driver Training Limited, we pride ourselves on being a driving school with a team of highly qualified instructors who are passionate about road safety and excellence in driving education. As an audit-registered organisation, you can trust that our training meets the highest industry standards. We offer comprehensive training programs for those aspiring to become driving instructors. Our ADI Part 2 training provides in-depth knowledge and practical skills to help you pass your driving ability examination with flying colours. Once you've successfully completed Part 2, our ADI Part 3 training equips you with the necessary instructional techniques and strategies to become an effective and confident driving instructor. In addition, we offer specialised ADI standards check training to help experienced instructors prepare for and excel in their periodic assessments. Our videos provide the insights and training that will help you to become a better driver or a better teacher. Subscribe to our channel now to stay up to date with our latest videos, tips and expert advice on becoming a skilled driver or a successful driving instructor. Driver Training Limited, where excellence in driving education begins. Subscribe today.